Back home now, Marvin Hamilton and Giselle James emerged victorious at the recent Guardian Group Shine 5K road race held in Montego Bay. Representing Purple Cassar Running Club, Hamilton captured both the men's title and the overall crown, stopping the clock at 18 minutes and 5 seconds. Keon Fullerton finished second in 18 minutes and 32 seconds, while Jerome Caesar completed the top three in 19 minutes and 6 seconds. Hamilton expressed satisfaction with his performance, noting that he executed his race plan well despite the challenges of the event.
Food and slightly increase the pace. Yeah, so that's how I run. Actually, to be honest, I didn't prepare because I have work and so on. I didn't prepare. I just come and run the race.
On the women's side, Papine High's James produced an impressive run to claim victory. 21 minutes and 42 seconds. Shelley Ann Robinson of St. James Municipal Corporation took second in 22 minutes and 46 seconds, while Guardians Tracy Ann Vernon placed third in 23 minutes and 53 seconds. James said the race unfolded largely as planned, although she had to work hard to maintain her pace throughout the event.
It was kind of difficult because I was feeling pain, but I pulled through and I execute good, so yes.
Meanwhile, race organizer Alfred Francis praised the continued growth of the series, highlighting the increasing participation and the positive impact the events have had on promoting fitness and healthy lifestyle that is, among Jamaicans.
Overall in Montego Bay where road races are concerned, and the Guardian has benefited from the procurement of a healthy lifestyle in Montego Bay. Lots of young people are out running, contributing to worthy causes, but also contributing to their own personal well-being.